So, yung mga costume pa namin is DIY. Made by Jongjong Collection. Ayun po. Hi guys! It's your Max GV and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time I've never been into YouTube because nabisi lang po ako ng very light. And for today's video guys, I am now celebrating my 1-year anniversary in YouTube. Yes. And sad to say, hindi pa po rin tayo na monetize. Kasi nga, hindi tayo na palagi nag-a-upload ng mga bagong content. And ayan po guys, hindi lang po ako ang magse-celebrate ng 1-year anniversary, pati na rin po ang aking Australian group of company. And I'm so happy! We are celebrating 1 year of friendship with Australians group of company in celebration my 1-year anniversary in YouTube and with Australian group of company, and tayo po ngayon ay magiging isang celebrity a day. Yes, magkakaroon po kami ngayon ng isang pangmalakasang pictorials. So excited. Paano kaya, no? Paano ko yung mga model post ka doon? And ayan po guys, hindi ko na po patatagalin ito, and tara na po. Yan po guys, nandito na po ako ngayon sa LB Studio kung saan dito po gaganapin yung aming anniversary pictorials, and we're here with Dan, Yvonne, Jongjong McQueen, and Tassos Mondal. And ayan po, nagsisit up na po si Kim Design, Laming Kawan.
Mo kanyang old black. Setro, Kimi. Aglit mo ni Jami. Mau gani eh. Gako mo harni. Ha?
So ayun po guys, oh my god, I'm ready and tapos na po akong nag-makeup and kasama ko sila. Yeah.
How old are you?
Yung costume namin is ano lang po, ukay-ukay. Hinahanap lang mga namin kanina yung ukay-ukay namin.
Gano'n mag-digger-digger sir kayo?
So sa okay po guys, magiging artista na po kayo, and our wardrobe, yeah, ready na po sila. So, ayun po guys. Pili na po yung first costume namin, which is glitters. Let's first go in. So, yung mga costume ko namin is DIY. Made by Jong Jong Collection. Ayun po. DIY, pati lights po namin is DIY lang po. Made by Bayman, of course. guys, oh my god, marami na po kami matapos. And ang hirap pala maging isang artista. Sobrang nakakapagod. And po, we're done for our first and second costume. And now, for the last costume is the white one. So, ayan po. Guys, tapos na po kami mag-photoshoot in celebration for our first anniversary with Australian. And I would like to thank our official photographer, Miss Jonox Cardosa of Jonox TV. Ayan po guys.
So yun guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Oo. Isa po rin siyang vlogger guys and sobrang, actually mag-monetize na po siya pero hindi pa siya nag-i-enroll and hindi pa siya nag-apply. Kasi marami na po siyang watch hour. Sobra-sobra na yung watch hour niya. And ayan po guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video ito, just comment down below and mag-share po kayo. Thank you so much.